Guys, James Doyle here, and we are here at the Canadian International Auto Show with my buddy Todd Lewis. Todd, it's great to be here with you, my friend. And we are here in the Performance Pavilion. Todd, we're going to walk around a little bit, but can you tell us a little bit about the pavilion and what's going on here at the auto show?
This is a collaboration with PasMag and the Canadian Motorsports Hall of Fame and Rev TV, of course, with the Rev TV stage, where I've been doing interviews with the racers from a number of different disciplines today. We'll be back again doing more interviews next week. In fact, next Saturday, the 22nd, we'll be featuring a bunch of NASCAR drivers from NASCAR Canada who will be with us. But it's a cool display and a great collaboration, looking at and celebrating what's new in motorsports and the history of motorsports as well, with some of the latest technology with these PasMag tuner cars, but also some of the great history with these drag racing cars and these top fuel cars. They're even a little bigger than we thought they were going to be when they were moving them in here. It's like, yeah, I think they're going to fit, and we did kind of shoehorn them in right in the center. But it's a really neat display with not just the top fuel cars, but other dragsters as well. And of course, the NASCAR Canada stock cars is here. It's the 84 of Larry Jackson and the number 3 of Jason Hathaway.
Absolutely. Now, it's cool that this pavilion is really for everybody. It suits everybody's different types of tastes. There's some radical cars, drag cars, of course, like you said, the NASCAR stock cars. So there's a lot of different things for the people here at the Canadian International Auto Show in the Performance Pavilion. Guys, to come down to this pavilion, you take the escalators in the South Building down to level 700, where then you take a U-turn, and there's some signs and direction that you guys can follow. But for now, thank you so much, Todd, for telling us about the pavilion. I want to thank you guys for watching as well, and we'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.
This is one of our special feature vehicles that's going to be found in the Canadian Motorsport Hall of Fame exhibit on the 700 level, room 701. Let's just listen to a little bit of what Old Muscle sounds like. That's some real American muscle.